Hey, you guys, how you doing this morning? Today, I'm gonna install these TAC fender flares for my wife's Toyota Tacoma. Okay, so she kind of like different kind of mods on there, so she decided to order some of these TAC fender flares from Amazon. And we will put the description link in our affiliate links down below, so you guys just go and click down below to go and review the or check out the product. Okay, so I'm gonna do an open box and installation today, so you guys just follow me today. Okay, so I'm gonna open up, see what they got in here. Alright, we got a little box here, so put that aside right here, and then put the knife here. See what we got. Okay. Oh, that's good. They come really nicely wrapped. Okay, really nicely wrapped with plastic and covering and everything. Okay, nicely wrapped. So I'm gonna put it down for you. We got one. This is the front right. Man, I like the packaging on these. And then this is the rear right. Okay. And you got the rear left. Okay. And then you got the this must be the front left. Put that right here, and let me put the box aside. Okay. So let's open up, see what the product looks like inside. All right. So inside we have okay, we got these brackets here. Okay, these are brackets that goes under here. Okay, and then you got your like these trims that goes over the flare here. Okay, so these are like preventing the water from going inside. Okay, so we got that right here, and then there's some screws. These are like we got like what's that, alcohol wipes and primer adhesives. Okay, and then you got some of these shiny little nipples here that you can put on the flare. Okay, and then you got some screws and brackets and instruction manual. Okay, put that aside over here, and let's take a look at the flare. Man, this package is good. It's all sealed up and everything. Okay? Okay, so once I get everything unwrapped, and I'll show you guys again. Okay, so I finished unpacking all of them. So this is the view of all the stuff that is inside the box. Okay, you got the four Fender flares, and then you got all these accessories over there. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting them into the car. So you guys just follow me in a little bit. Okay. Okay, so this little packet here comes with this U clip here. So you put the U clip here and here, okay, and you got the two screws here that will go up here, and then what you need to do is take 3 of these screws and screw it up like that, okay. Okay, so you line up the bracket here. It should be like 1, 2, and 3 screws, okay. So once you put in there, you just tighten it up. Okay, so what you're doing is you need to take these 1, 2, 3 screws out, and then there's one in the front, okay? And then you got the clip right here too. So once you install the U clip right here, bracket up here with the U clip here and here, you got 2 up here. So after that, or before that, you have to put these on the window, on the fender flare, okay. Yeah, these prevent the water or things like that from going in when you put it, okay. So water don't go in there. And then what you need to do is you need lined up these 2 holes right here with the U clip up here, so you can screw that in first to hold the fender so that you can fit all the other screws in, okay. So first you need to put these 2 screws in the U clip first. So line it up. Okay, one goes here, and then one goes over here. Okay. one's here, so make sure you kind of hold everything before you tighten up. Okay. Make sure you guys fix the protector out here, okay? The trim protector. Make sure you fix it before you tighten up everything, okay? Okay. So really there's only 4 screws, and then you got one of the pop-in screws. Okay, so that makes it 5 on the front. And then so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the last one is the pop-in one. So you just pop it in, okay? And that should be it for the. Okay, hold on. All these little nipples here, you can just pop it in, okay? Or you can you know, plastic dip them black, matte black, to match the fender flare. But my wife, she doesn't want it to match that, so she liked the chrome look on this, so it'll match her rims. So yeah, you just pop it in like that, okay? Okay, there you go. Nice and clean. Okay, so in the back, you need to take out this screw and the screw underneath here to move this part to fit, okay? And then 1, 2, 3 screws here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 screw, okay? You need to save this screw so that you can put it back, okay? You need this screw later. So take the 1, 2, 3, 4 screw up right here, okay? Slowly. Oh my God. Okay, there's a clip right here. Okay, so mama, phải tụi con số mà mama nó có mấy tụ clip này con nào, okay, ô cả tụ clip bà mà này tao nó yeah, there you go. Hey, uống sao kẹp cái lo. Okay, so we start the minute. Take the out though. With the man take out though.
That's cute, man.
Okay, so most important, you need to put these 2 upper screws first, okay? And once you put it there, you need to kind of screw it in a little bit so you can hold the fender flare up. But don't put it too tight or anything like that, or don't screw all the way in. Just kind of enough to hold the fender, and then you got to do 3 over here and then 2 on the other side. Okay, so.
One, two,
Okay,
three.
so now you tight up all your screws, okay, all the way around. There's 6 of them, okay, in the back. Okay, and that screw earlier, this bottom one that you saved, yeah, you need to put this one back in, okay? This is the most important one. Okay, so. Okay, make sure that's tight, and then I'm gonna go one more time around. Yeah, I need to tighten this one up. Okay. Okay, that's tight. Okay, there we go. So popped in all these nipples here. Okay, she wanna keep all these like that so they'll match her rims down here. Okay. And then we will do before and after we finish cleaning this up. Okay, push right here a little bit, Tim. Okay. What on there? Now to pay attention to Konoan, okay? Okay, push now. Talk to with the okay, see, look, okay, let go a little bit. See, các bạn you chọt tại là you push in là tao nào, okay? Còn nếu muốn sử dụng push cái nếu you chạy là chỉ tao lưu only chỉ tao rồi. Okay, mẹ đuổi con nữa nữa. Okay, đuổi tiếp nữa. Đúng là cái tiếng nó mà mình có sự nó